Let me save you months of frustration. Just because an ad has been running since 2023, that doesn't mean it will work for you. And here's exactly what I see. Business owners and agencies, they go to the Meta Ads library, the Google Transparency, they see an ad, they copy the hook, the headline, and the offer. After that, they are done. They don't do extensive research on where that ad is taking the traffic. After they copy that ad, the winning ad, they take that traffic and send it to a 5 seconds form, a funnel that just needs your name, your phone number, your email, and why you are reaching out. And that exact mismatch is where quality drops. That ad you are copying, it was built for an audience that already understood they had a problem. But when you are running it, you are hitting cold traffic. So now you have three things: high curiosity, low commitment, and a funnel that assumes readiness. You can already see that this is not a lead quality issue. It is an awareness issue. Now, since you don't know what this ad is, you have three things again. You will keep on testing creatives, raising ad budgets, thinking that it will fix it, or also blame the copy. And after this, you will eventually conclude that ads are just not consistent. So instead of you just raising your budgets and testing out infinite number of copies, you will make sure that these two are correct. Your ad must create awareness and your funnels must match that awareness. The colder the traffic, the more thinking the funnel must do before booking. That's why some ads survive for years, not because the creative is magic, but because the funnel underneath is doing the heavy lifting. So now in conclusion, we know that winning ads don't convert in isolation. They convert because of what happens after the clip.